Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change default file explorer opening location or your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. You can easily change such type open file explorer and you can see home page it opening. Now we will see how to change this opening location, default location. Click on three horizontal dot and choose options. A folder option window will now open. Here from the top menu bar, go to General tab and here you will find Open File Explorer 2. Two options available, Home or this PC. In some PCs, OneDrive will also show. In my case, OneDrive is not set, so only two options visible, this PC and Home. And click on Apply and OK to save the changes. Now open the File Explorer, press Bin plus E shortcut to open File Explorer, and you can see this PC opening location successfully changed default file location.